When people talk about AI, they often imagine the Terminator, machines that think for themselves, robots that decide to destroy humanity. This is the AI of science fiction. Today, I want to give you a clear framework for understanding AI, one that separates science fiction from reality and helps you make sense of what AI can and cannot do. The framework is simple: strong AI versus weak AI. But first, let me explain why this moment in history is different from previous technological revolutions. Throughout history, humans have invented machines to extend our capabilities. We invented the wheel to move faster. We invented cranes to lift heavier. We invented engines to work longer. All of these inventions replaced muscle power, human or animal. We built artificial power to do physical work. But now, for the first time, we are building artificial brain power. We are creating machines that think, or at least that do things we associate with thinking. This is why AI feels different. We are used to machines being stronger than us. We are not used to machines being smarter than us, even in limited domains. This is the source of both excitement and fear. So let me give you clarity. Strong AI, also called artificial general intelligence or AGI, refers to AI that can do anything a human can do. It would have general intelligence, able to learn any task, reason about any problem, and transfer knowledge between domains. Strong AI would have common sense. It would understand context. It would know that you cannot fit an elephant in a refrigerator without being told. It would truly understand, not just pattern match. Here is the current status of strong AI. It does not exist. We cannot build strong AI today. We do not know how to build it. The most advanced AI systems in the world, GPT, Claude, Gemini, are not strong AI. They can fail at tasks that any 3-year-old can do. Ask ChatGPT a riddle that requires common sense reasoning. Give it a novel situation that wasn't in its training data. Watch it fail in ways no human would. This is not a criticism of current AI. It is simply a fact about where we are. Strong AI is a research goal, not a current capability. Weak AI, also called narrow AI, refers to AI that can do one or two specific tasks very well, but cannot transfer that ability to other domains. All AI that exists today is weak AI. Every AI story you have heard is about weak AI. AlphaGo that defeated the world, Go champion, weak AI. It cannot play chess or drive a car. AlphaFold that predicted protein structures, weak AI. It cannot write poetry or recognize faces. ChatGPT that writes essays, weak AI. It cannot reliably do arithmetic or understand physical causation well yet. Now, here is the paradox that confuses people. Weak AI is getting incredibly strong at its narrow tasks. When we call it weak, we mean it is narrow, not that it is feeble. In its specific domain, weak AI often exceeds human capability by orders of magnitude. So we have this strange situation. Strong AI is weak. We cannot build it at all. Weak AI is getting stronger and stronger at specific tasks. Let me give you a visual metaphor that helps understand this. Imagine a circle representing all possible intelligent tasks. This is the space of intelligence. Humans cover the entire surface of this circle. We can do any task, not perfectly but competently. We have general intelligence. AI is like drilling holes. Each AI system finds a point on the surface and drills very deep, much deeper than humans go, but it is just one hole. AlphaFold drills deep in protein folding. ChatGPT drills deep in text generation. Each excels in its narrow domain, but cannot cover the surface. The strategic insight is this: AI and human intelligence are complementary. AI goes deep, humans go broad. AI excels at specific pattern recognition. Humans excel at general reasoning and transfer. The winning strategy is not AI versus humans, it is AI plus humans. Combine depth and breadth. Now, will strong AI ever exist? This is a question scientists genuinely disagree about. Some believe we are just scaling problems away. Make models bigger, give them more data, and general intelligence will emerge. Modern LLMs already show surprising emergent abilities. Others believe we are fundamentally missing something, that current approaches will never achieve true understanding, no matter how big. We need new paradigms. My honest answer, I don't know. Nobody knows. Anyone who claims certainty is selling something. But here is what I do know. For your career planning, whether strong AI arrives in 5, 10, 20 years or never, the strategy is the same. Develop skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. Focus on breadth and judgment. Learn to direct AI systems effectively. These strategies work regardless of how AI evolves. Let me address the Terminator fear directly. Even if we eventually build strong AI, it would not automatically be hostile. Intelligence does not imply malevolence. The real risks of AI are more mundane and more present. Bias in AI systems, job displacement, misinformation, privacy erosion, concentration of power. These are problems we face today with weak AI. Worrying about Terminator scenarios while ignoring present harms is like worrying about asteroid impacts while ignoring climate change. Both are risks, but one requires attention now. The practical takeaway: treat current AI as a powerful but narrow tool. It can transform specific tasks, but cannot replace human judgment, creativity, or general reasoning. Use AI where it excels. Apply human judgment where it struggles. Combine both for results neither could achieve alone. For your Smile participation, find an example where AI appears intelligent but fails in a way that reveals it is weak AI. What task does it do well? What related task does it fail at? What does this failure tell us about the limits of current AI? Share your example and analysis. Comment on three peers' examples. Evaluate based on insight depth. Sample Smile posting. I asked this to AI. I have 50 apples. I give 10 to Mark. Every time I mention a name, I actually double the number of apples I have left. I give 5 to Sarah. I give 2 to Pete. Then I eat 10 apples. How many apples do I have? It confidently gave the wrong answer. It can write sophisticated essays, but fails at arithmetic a child could do. This reveals that AI is often doing pattern matching on text, not actual reasoning. It has seen millions of math problems but doesn't truly understand numbers. The practical implication: always verify AI outputs that require precise calculation or logical reasoning. Remember, strong AI weak, weak AI strong. All current AI is narrow AI that excels in specific domains. Your job is to understand these domains and combine AI depth with human breadth. In our next segment, we will explore how AI is transforming education and how you can embrace rather than resist this change.